This video is about celebrating Europe's Day. It is celebrated on 9th of May every year. So in this day, many European countries which has a cultural center in Delhi, they invite participants living in Delhi or nearby places. The cultural center of their embassies show documentaries, short films, and also they try to give taste of local cuisines. This current place where am I standing is Alliance de Francaise of French Cultural Center. This place is a Hungarian Cultural Center in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. This place is a Goethe Institute which is situated in Travancore House near Connaught Place. So it is dedicated to German Cultural Center. So in the upcoming clips you will see employees working in Goethe Institute. They will be showing about exhibition and telling in descriptive ways about women's struggle in life.
Our atelier of Recovery Wealth different countries. It's a traveling show which has been displayed in several countries in month. So this is the artist Kavita. This is the artist. She speaks about her identity through her work, and she speaks about that even in society or even in the so the postcard has images of women who are well known and you would see them basically accomplished women who have
Excuse me. And they're also very marginalized, and even in music their voices are unheard. Often their culture is stereotyped and oppressed. So this collective, and they're also into environmental fashion, and they're right. And so this is there. We have also around us always seem to oppress and silence our voices when they are made by us and for us, right? And so this is a very interactive artwork where we have stencils, there is no border here, and we change each other, and so you can just spray paint and have fun with it. You can also take your paintings home. And I mean, there's a lot of people, so I might have to do this twice. So this is again a work by Shilpa Gupta, and if you look closely into it, you'll see people wearing uniforms, which then you presume them to be structures and institutions. And then you see police brutality in these pictures, where police officers are detaining or arresting individuals who have people are there to protect us. And so if they silence us and our voices, then whom are they protecting us from? We are not very open or liberating. And so they're very oppressive in nature. And so also there is this narrative going on, happy, they're confident, so this brings out a women perspective of who trans people are, right? And they can be, and they're not thinking who they are. They're actually
a few of them were also arrested later on after the performance, during the performance actually.
It was this first post-colonial eco-feminist movement led by women, right? And it was women protecting their land and their environment. Particularly, they were hugging trees. Chipko means sticking, right? And so they were hugging and sticking themselves to trees and saying that they can die, they can give up their life, but you cannot cut their trees, you cannot cut their homeland.
You would see that in the picture, this is a Bosnian carpet which is hand woven by the women. So, which and love that women has. But in front of that, you would see in the video her eat, which again is talking about the stories, the narratives of these victims that they have victims of. This is very interesting. Talking about the narratives of several women, and it's.
This is the lawn area of Goethe Institute. This lush green outfield has some parking space for vehicles. This area is Austrian Embassy situated in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi.